A fun book when you're going to college and you're taking some of the beginning electrical classes. This one, anybody can teach themselves, so you don't have to go to a class to learn out of this one. It walks you by step. This is intentionally written for laymen to walk you through projects that are extremely self-explanatory. On this one, you'll build a lot of little simple circuits. Really easy to do. You don't have to be an electronics person. You don't have to do any math or anything like that. But you'll make a whole lot of items that you purchase every day. In many items that you purchase, you'll literally build things from scratch. And everything is available like on Amazon and eBay. They have electronics kits that will sell you all these devices, you know, different op amps is what they're showing right here. They make amplifiers and little timers. You'll make things like you know, things to switch things. Here's alternating lights. You can, some of them I think like radio signal, where you can turn lights on in your room using radio signals. Really easy. This one, if you want to play yourself, this is a do-it-yourselfer. You don't have to take any class to go through this book, and it's so easy. It basically takes you by the hand and walks you through making any of these little projects. So here's the ISBN. I think this one I was at, this was Laney College, or was this City College? I think this one was Laney College, and the other one was from San Francisco City College electrical engineering classes, but I think this was the easier one from Laney College. All right, that's it. Just another easy intro to electronics when you're taking college classes.